खेल के मैदान में जिसने एक तरफा अधिकार किया है, सुन लो गुरु, खेल के मैदान में जिसने एक तरफा अधिकार किया है, अपनी घातक गेंदबाजी से अनेकों बल्लेबाजों का शिकार किया है। ब्रेट ली, तुम चाहे क्रिकेट खेलो या करो अदाकारी, ब्रेट ली की हर अंदाज के ऊपर दुनिया ने बेइंतहा प्यार किया।
क्या बात है। So I will make you understand in short. He said, the whole world loves you. Am I right?
Thank you very much.
करेक्ट।
मुझे लगता है जितनी स्पीड से इनकी बॉल आती है ना, इतनी स्पीड से आएंगे करके।
नो ना,
मैं बोलूंगा ओ
बैट्समैनों को थोड़ा डर लगता था
जी,
लड़कियों को प्यार आता है।
बताओ, समझा दो ना, क्या क्या बोला आपने?
The batsman feared him, the women love him.
Is it true, Brett?
What do you think?
I think a lot of girls.
You reckon? No, well, look, firstly, thank you very much. Namaste, namaskar.
नमस्कार।
Sat Shri Akal ji.
Copy to all जी, copy to all जी।
Aap kaise ho?
मैं बहुत अच्छा हूँ। I'm very good and I'm happy to know that you can speak Hindi so that my burden is low now.
Thoda Hindi.
थोड़ा थोड़ा, same here, English थोड़ा थोड़ा, बहुत ज़्यादा थोड़ा, इतना सा।
Perfect, we're right.
Brett, you are smarter than a smartphone.
You reckon?
You know, long height, fair like a milk with some kesar in its side. Like hair like gold. My words are emptying. Actually, my words are finishing, but your smartness is increasing. And I'm sure girls must be crazy about you, but you are crazy about a girl in your movie. So why is this thing reversed from your real life? Thank you.
Well,
And you will be glad to know that I learned this question only in 7 days. 7 दिन में मैंने तैयार किया, मैं फटाफट बोलना है. So,
how's it different to real life? Well, in real life, I'm very happily married
okay, that's a good thing.
to my Sundar Ledaki back home.
बहुत सुंदर लड़की.
No, but look, it's. I think most importantly in life, it's about having fun. As the reason why we're on the show tonight, I love how he's sitting there like a king. Look at him, like a king.
He's sitting like a king, and the queens and queens and the queens. In India, marriage is a long process.
It's like a test match.
It's more than a test match. More than a test match. Like marriage in England is like a 2020.
I'm glad he said England, not Australia.
But in India, it's a long, long process. First, the parents of girls and the parents of boy, they will meet. They will decide.
Right.
Then all relatives have to meet with each other's families. Then a Pandit ji will come. A priest, right? The priest, priest. He will decide through his books.
I better just write that down, priest. Okay, yeah.
Priest. He will decide if they both are okay with each other in the future.
And then फिरे।
Then halwai will come. Halwai means the chef. Chef will come to decide about the main menu.
The chef.
Chef will decide what kind of sweet should be there in the marriage.
So a chef's got a clear, decisive moment of what happens in a marriage.
He will decide right with the mutual understanding with the parents. So he will decide what kind of sweets should be there in the marriage. After that, in the end, boy and girl will meet in the presence of more than 1,000 and 1,200 people. In short, I would like to say the boys and girl will meet alone on the wedding night. Now you can understand the frustration of guy. That's why, that's why our population is too much. Am I right, Baji? You know, Indians are very passionate about. In their 30s even, mother is asking, when you will marry? He will say, no. But once he will marry, he's like make a rail
Are you
of kids.
you married?
No.
When's the chef coming?
Chef is not always coming. He coming sometimes. But sometimes there is a plate system. You
Just
just go to
like-
hotel and you order at a per plate system. Then if we are 100 people, we have to pay according to our 100 people.
Right.
Per plate, 100 people. But we are very smart. We eat only one plate. All 100 people can eat in one plate only. So we can save the money.
Perfect.
ओके हम ब्रेड से और भी बातें करेंगे. ब्रेड प्लीज हैव ए सीट. जोरदार तालियां हो जाए ब्रेड के लिए. ब्रेड टेल मी वन थिंग. डू यू लाइक बॉलीवुड?
I love Bollywood.
Which actress you like most?
Oh, you'd have to say Pretty Zinta, you know,
क्या बात है गुरु.
because she hired me for the first 3 years of IPL.
किया का भाई?
प्रीति जिंटा ने मुझे पहले 3 साल आईपीएल क्रिकेट खिलाई तो वो तो
अच्छा.
अच्छी होगी.
She was the boss.
शी वाज द बॉस.
And you love your boss.
You respect your boss.
Actually, I also like one actress from Australia, Nicole Kidman.
Yeah.
She's very long, she's very tall. You know, a boy have to jump to kiss her. She's so tall. Please, can you give her a message to Nicole that she's so pretty that I can marry her even like yesterday? Sorry, tomorrow. I mean, I can marry her like.
See, like if I was standing here now and just say I'm Nicole Kidman,
Okay.
you'd have to stand up on here.
She's so long.
Yeah, so you have to go up on here now,
Okay.
and that would be that'd be better.
Hi, Nicole.
Hello. This is getting very, very weird.
Nicole.
Yes.
बेटा ये निकोल नहीं है इसकी
yes.
पप्पी मत ले लेना.
Okay, tell me one thing, Brett. How you know that Nicole is so long? You have
I love
seen
how
her
you use the
very
word
closely?
long.
Okay.
We say tall.
फिर नहीं पता चला पाजी क्या हुआ?
कह रहा है अंग्रेजी में टॉल होता है तू लॉन्ग ही कहता जा रहा है.
Yeah, okay. Long. So tall.
टॉल.
She's very tall, and she is a fantastic actress. You know, a great person to come out of Australia.
Very nice. Tell me one thing, Brett. If I have to impress an Australian girl, what will I have to do? I mean, I'm just asking. I'm just taking one route. Take some
Speak
tips.
good English.
Speak good English.
Yeah,
You mean to say suicide? Instead of English, what can I do to impress a Australian girl?
I think you have to be a romantic.
I am too
You know,
much romantic. You know,
you-
sometimes my romance is coming out from my shirt, and I don't even realize.
You'd probably say something like, she'd be sitting here, your Sundalediki, sitting right here, and you'd have an ik chai,
Chai, yeah.
and you'd say, do you want to come back to your house for a chai?
Okay.
And you'd,
Okay. So I should take that girl to my home for chai.
so you go in here for a chai,
Okay.
and when you go in first, she locks the door, and then you stay inside. That's what happens.
You insulted me very well. मैं भी सोचूं चाय पीनी है तो घर क्यों लेके जाना, बाहर पियो चाय. Very smart answer. I'm very proud of you. Actually, ब्रेट ना अपनी फिल्म में एक टीचर बने हैं जो ऑस्ट्रेलिया से बाहर से आए लोगों को ऑस्ट्रेलिया के कल्चर के बारे में बताते हैं, भाषा के बारे में बताते हैं. So you are playing a teacher who, समझाओ पाजी. So in the movie, he teaches to people about Australian culture and language. Is the same culture similar to India? Like in India, our mothers used to feed our kids like my mother sitting there. She's understanding nothing. But she's enjoying because her son is earning good money. Because Sony Channel spends a lot on his son. She's happy wearing two kangans of gold. Happy. कुछ नहीं समझ आ रहा ना मम्मी.
ए की क्या ना पे है बेचारा.
लंदन जाने की तैयारी करो बस. In India,
Yeah.
mothers used to feed their kids dahi and chini, curd and sugar, so that they can perform well in their exams. Is it same in Australia? Australian mothers do the same.
I'm not sure if they feed them sugar so they do well in their exams, but I'm sure Mum looked after you very, very well.
Yeah, she took care of me very well. मम्मी ठीक से ध्यान रखा था ना मुझे. Actually, I was very young, so I don't know if
Was
she
he a
took
good
care of
boy?
well or not.
Was he a good boy?
मैं कहते मैं अच्छा लड़का हूँ कि
चंगा
नहीं?
मुंडा थी, चंगा मुंडा.
कहते अच्छा लड़का है. मम्मी कहती हाँ जी.
Anji?
She said हाँ जी.
Manji.
Because she knows. if
हेलो,
she will
बहुत
speak-
अच्छा लगा बेटा.
अच्छा वो नहीं मैं.
हाँ, दोनों ही
She's saying you both are very
दोनों ही
good
बहुत
boys.
अच्छे लगे.
Thank you, Mummy.
मम्मी इस कसम खा के बताना एक भी बात समझ में आई जब से आई हो?
ना मेरे को कोई नहीं पता लगा.
नहीं ना? Good, my mother. Keep supporting me, my mom. I love you.
You know what? I think it's fantastic that you can do a show here,
Yeah.
which is very, very popular. I know all about it, and you've got your beautiful mother here. It's fantastic.
Thank you, Brad. Thank you so much. Actually, you know, in India, there are too many superstitious. Like, if काली बिल्ली रास्ता काट जाए तो आप आदमी काम पे नहीं जाता. If in Australia, if black cat cut your road, do you put brake? नहीं.
Cut your road.
हाँ. तो क्या
Cut
हुआ?
your rasta. Cut your rasta. Your journey, journey,
Yeah,
journey.
it's true. Yeah, we also have superstition in
No,
Australia.
no.
Australia.
If a black cat crosses the road,
Any
and-
color cat.
Any color.
any color, is it a bad omen?
Yes. Yeah.
It means Australian cats are also vamp.
See, if you have a billy run in front,
Billy.
Billy,
Oh,
not a kutta, okay?
not a kutta.
You
Billy
have,
kutta are enemies.
you have a billy run in front of you.
Yeah.
You have to pull over and do 10 push-ups.
10 push-ups.
Yep. I just made that up, but
10
No.
push-ups and then you can go.
and then
ahead.
you can go again. You've been cleansed again.
Brett, you were always a cricketer. Then why did you swing into acting? You know, I'm trying to use cricket terms for making you more comfortable. You can appreciate my effort if you want.
I
How
really
you become
appreciate-
actor?
Well, I've gone from the nets to the sets. There you go. You can use that.
Let's do the sets. Of course, smart answer.
The producer and director, Mr. Anupam Sharma, who's here in the audience today.
So Mr. Anupam is there. He produced this movie, An Indian, and he is the director. Mr. Anupam, आप तो हिंदी समझते हैं ना?
बहुत अच्छी तरह.
शुक्र है भाई मेरे. तो आपने जब ये मूवी बनाने का डिसाइड किया, सो आपके दिमाग में कैसे आया कि ब्रेट इज द राइट चॉइस?
ये आप सब लोग ब्रेट को एज ए क्रिकेटर जानते हैं,
जी.
लेकिन मैं पिछले 15 साल से उनको एज ए परफॉर्मर जानता हूँ.
क्यों आपके मैच नहीं आता था टीवी में?
क्योंकि मैंने उनके साथ हमेशा टीवी कमर्शियल्स किए हैं, टीवी
Okay.
सीरीज किए हैं, और जब भी मैंने इनके साथ काम किया, मुझे इनके अंदर एक भड़कता हुआ, बिल्कुल तिलमिलाता हुआ आर्टिस्ट दिखा.
आपको ऐसे कैसे लगा भड़कता तिल मिलाता?
आप उन्होंने किंगफिशर के लिए ऐड किया था, उसका डांस देखे तो आपको पता चलेगा किस
जी
तरह
जी मैंने
भड़कते
बिल्कुल देखा. बहुत अच्छा परफॉर्म करते हैं, नो डाउट. सो अनुपम जी, हमें आप पे बहुत गर्व भी है और ढेर सारी शुभकामनाएं आपकी फिल्म के लिए और आपके तमाम आने वाले प्रोजेक्ट्स के लिए. थैंक
Thank you
यू
so
सो
much.
मच.
जा जा बड़ा आया डॉक्टर कहीं का. मुर्गी पकड़ मुर्गी. समझा तू? क्या हेडेक करे? तेरी वजह से क्या मार मुझे. तेरी वजह से 1100 रुपए नहीं जीत पाई मैं. तुझे पता होता ना क्रिकेट में इतना बड़ा जीरो है तू. तेरे बदले कपिल देव को ले ली थी मैं.
जो मैं कर सकता था ना, कपिल देव नहीं कर सकते कभी भी. मैंने उनके ओपनर का बैट चुरा सकते नहीं.
माफ करना बुढ़ाऊ. जिसे तू बैट कह रहा है ना, वो कपड़ा धोने वाला ये थप्पी है थप्पी. इसी से मैं तुझे मार.
Hello.
हेलो.
How are you, grandmother? This must be the doctor.
Yeah, he's doctor.
I am Dr. Mishra Gulati, MBBS.
I like you. I love your hair.
You and MBBS? Huh?
Yes, MBBS, my bad ball strongest.
The shirt.
And
Australia, Jittiga.
Our washing guy has only this T-shirt today, so man,
Okay.
please have a good seat.
How you doing?
What?
Yes, she's just sniffing you like a dog.
I'd rather a Billy.
No. क्यूट बिली आपने बिल्कुल सही कहा था इम्पोर्टेड माल का जवाब नहीं सच में अब
Sorry.
इतनी चिकनी तो मैं अपनी जवानी में भी नहीं थी
जवानी में सिद्धू साहब जवानी में बड़ी शोले पिक्चर की हेमा मालिनी थे लोग इसको सांबा सांबा कहते थे आपको पता है पीछे हेलो डॉक्टर मिश्र glad to I am and I will sit here.
Thank you, doctor.
What a nice day. It's a good feeling, yeah.
Beautiful day.
चुप कर भोया कबीला इसने मुझे बर्बाद कर दिया सिद्धू जी कहीं का नहीं छोड़ा
कैसे?
अच्छा कहीं का नहीं छोड़ा बड़ा पाव के पैसे मैंने दिए ऑटो से तू निकली उसने बाद में मुझे पकड़ा बार वाले ने तेरे को लेडी समझ के छोड़ दिया मेरे को मारा रो तू रही है
हाँ तो बहुत बड़ा एहसान किया क्या मुझ पर तुझे पता है अगर हम क्रिकेट जीत जाते ना तो 1100 रुपया मिलता मुझे 1100 रुपया लेकिन इस मोए मरदूत की वजह से हम आईबीएल से बाहर हो गए
IBL नहीं IPL.
हमारा तो आईबीएल ही था ना इंडियन बुजुर्ग लीग
मैंने पक्का मैच जिता देना था अगर मेरे पास बॉल होती तो समझे तो
वाह लाला अमरनाथ है ना तू 1 मिनट बहुत हिम्मत है ना तुझ में चल इसके साथ क्रिकेट खेल के दिखा
लगता है आज सेंचुरी बनानी ही पड़ेगी
She's asking to face you.
Yeah, no problem. Cricket match, we have small thing. I will, first of all, we need to do the toss. That is the mandatory thing. You have a point?
yeah
I just have a match, no problem. Can I have a wicket? I do the toss and you say anything?
Heads.
Okay.
Can I have a look at the heads? Yeah, it's a heads, thanks.
10 रुपए ले गया हम आगे भाई
देखो तो
I'll bowl.
बड़े बैट से खेलो.
ओके नो प्रॉब्लम इतना बड़ा बैट मैंने कभी पकड़ा नहीं आज तक यू कम फ्रॉम दैट साइड बिकॉज आई वांट टू सी द बैंड
You know what?
बहुत तेज गेंद करता है बच के रहना मैं मजाक नहीं कर रहा हूँ
हाँ जी
थोड़ा तोड़ देगा हेलमेट वेलमेट डाल ले कुछ
हेलमेट डाला ही हुआ भगवान ने डाला मेरे दिल का ओके बेस्ट ऑफ लक ब्रैट
All right. You want to see the band?
हैं
You mentioned that you wanted to see the band.
आई वांट टू सी द बैंड
That's the last thing you'll ever see.
कर ले साहब तेरा ही सफाया होने वाला अब
पहले बंदा 10 रुपए ले गया मेरे
रेडी
ओके डू इट
आ गया डर सब आ गया खेलो
आगे आजा ये क्या तरीका है खेलने का
So get him.
वो मारेगा
किसने कहा था होशियारी करने को चल खड़े हो जा
क्यों हवा निकल गई और पैड भी गलत दिशा में डाला हुआ है
चलो
ये
You all right?
चल चल उठ जा चल खेल
योर टर्न
one player is injured.
You die now.
कहाँ बेटा, नाला सोपारा जा रहा है क्या? अंधेरी से डाल, अंधेरी में आ, अंधेरी आ। मैं तो थक गई, मैं थोड़ा फ्रेश होकर आती हूँ, तुम लोग बैठो, मैं अभी आई।
Hey, you don't know that I am the therapist of cricket team.
Really? What's your specialty?
Breathing वगैरह. I rather called Shane Warne also last night. You know Shane Warne?
A little bit.
Okay. Let me tell you the truth.
Tell me.
मेरा काम नहीं चल रहा. My hospital not working. If you tell people that I have a hospital and the building is very good, doctor has a good heart, and please give me my fees. It will be very nice for you.
The slogan of his hospital is, "We are with you till your death. Rest is in God's hand."
I thought it was like if you go in there, you got 50-50 chance of living.
Yeah, you got it right.
No, I'm scared.
No. 50% is Dharmshala, 50% is hospital. You know, 50% we give people on rent.
तो इनके कहने से आप डॉक्टर बन जाएंगे?
या फॉरेनर्स को कहने पे लोग मान लेते हैं सच बात को. ऐसा है, but I have a degree, you just sign it, that's it, people will be fine.
But he wants you to give him degree
Yeah.
and tell people.
I need a column.
Yeah.
Chalo, huh?
So he want you to give him degree.
I'll give you a degree.
Yeah, and tell people that he's a great doctor. You can do it on your own risk.
Yeah, okay?
I have 15 degrees.
Yeah?
15 degrees.
In my elbow. 15 degrees.
That is a joke. My career is not a joke. Hey, Pandey! Hey, degree लेके आओ यार. मेरे ऊपर डाल फूल. मेरा हो रहा है, उसका नहीं हो रहा है.
बस कर फोटो खींच ले चलो बहुत होगी फोटो चलो.
Get me the mic, please. I want to say something. My patients are idiots. They don't understand English. So, Bradley ji, I will teach you some Hindi, if you don't mind. You have to tell people that 1, 2, 3, 4.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
इतनी हमें इंग्लिश नहीं आती जिसको हिंदी आती है जी. इतनी मैं क्या करूं? 1, 2, 3, 4.
1, 2, 3, 4.
नहीं इनको बोलने दो. डॉक्टर गुलाटी की जय जयकार.
India जीतेगा.
प्लेट में जीरा है.
चुप कर जा.
प्लेट में जीरा है.
Plate में जीरा है.
You have to do this. प्लेट में जीरा है.
Plate में जीरा है.
डॉक्टर गुलाटी हीरा है.
Doctor's got no idea. Sorry.
जीरा.
Jeera.
प्लेट में जीरा है.
Plate में जीरा है.
वैसे.
Okay.
प्लेट में जीरा है.
Plate में जीरा है.
डॉक्टर गुलाटी हीरे है.
Doctor, I like your lovely hair.
Thank you so much. And it is an emotional day for me. बिना कुछ आए गए इस मुकाम तक पहुंचना बहुत मुश्किल था. इसके लिए मैं अपने सब उन पेशेंट्स का थैंक यू करना चाहता हूं जिन्होंने मेरी सफलता की राह में अपनी कुर्बानियां दी. अच्छा डॉक्टरी जो है ना वो भरोसे की चीज है. इट्स ए मैटर ऑफ फेथ इफ यू सी. एक पेशेंट था सिद्धू साहब, आपको तो कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा इस वक्त, बट स्पीच आई कैन गो ओनली. एक पेशेंट था, मेरे को पता चला उसको गैस है, तो मैंने उसको कह दिया कि तू प्रेग्नेंट. अब तब से लेकर अब तक डिलीवरी की वेट कर रहा है वो. मैटर ऑफ फेथ. एक पेशेंट के जूते की एडी घिस गई, मैंने कहा तेरी टांगों में प्रॉब्लम है. पिछले 2 महीने से वो स्ट्रेचेस लेके घूम रहा है हाथ में. मैटर ऑफ फेथ. एक बंदे का नाम रोहन है, मैंने प्रिस्क्रिप्शन के लिए दिया सोहन. अपने घर की नेम प्लेट चेंज करा दीजिए उसने. ये क्या कर रहे हैं?
Listen. ब्रेट दुनिया के सबसे तेज फास्ट बॉलर्स में से एक है. पाजी आपने कभी ब्रेट को फेस किया है?
अरे मैंने बहुत देखा है, बहुत कमेंट्री किया है.
पर
ये
आपका आपस में मैच तो नहीं हुआ ना?
नहीं, ये सुल्तान ऑफ स्विंग, ये मुझे किंग कहता है ना, ये सुल्तान ऑफ स्विंग था. 2 ही बॉलर मैंने दुनिया में ऐसे देखे हैं जो 140 पे गेंद को लहराते थे, तैराते थे और केले की तरह घुमाते थे.
140 किलोमीटर पर आवर की स्पीड
मैल्कम
पे.
मार्शल और ब्रेट ली.
क्या बात है.
ब्रिलियंट, आउटस्टैंडिंग, उस पेस के ऊपर.
Brett, while batting, were you scared of any bowler?
Everyone.
Everyone. Why?
Even spinners. No, well, you imagine, and I actually worked out that probably the last 3 years of my life as a cricketer, that when I open my eyes batting, it's easier. Because normally I was like... But when I watch the ball and I look at the ball, it's easier. But I played against Pakistan and Shoaib Akhtar. Yeah. And me and him get on very well, and my nickname's Binger. So I'm out batting, and I've taken my centre mark, and I'm up there, and I'm sweating, I'm nervous, and I'm like, and I hear Binger, Binger. I'm thinking, and there's Shoaib at about 75 metres back. He's looking at me, he's going, I'm gonna kill you. I'm like, okay, great. So I'm tapping, he's running in, the black hair is flying in the wind, he's steaming in, right? Gets to here. I watch the ball and it's gone, boom, it's hit me straight on the foot. I've appealed to the umpire. How's that? That's got to be out, surely. And you know what? Do you know what happened?
Yeah, what?
That silly Australian umpire said not out. Like, great.
You know, I will tell you a secret of Shoaib. Sometimes he don't throw the ball. Sometimes he's doing like this, and he put his ball inside his pajama and do like this. There is no ball. I mean, there is a ball, but there is no ball. I mean, ball is in his pants and there is no ball in front. ओए होए.
That's very
अच्छा, मुझे
good.
बड़ा शौक है इंटरनेशनल आर्टिस्ट को इनवाइट करने का, बाद में प्रॉब्लम हो जाती है. Tell me one thing, Brett. When players plays in field, they say so many things to each other with full respect. वैसे तो माँ बहन करते हैं एक दूसरे को गालियां देते हैं. I mean to say sledging. So instead of bowling, batting, fielding, is there any special coach for Australian player for sledging?
There could be.
Or is their own creativity of players?
Sledging does happen, and I think it's important for the game that there is that, you know, the energy on the field. You don't obviously cross that line. You don't racially vilify someone. You don't swear too much. But sledging's good.
Sledging is good. Okay.
So,
Talia.
for example, when I was batting against India, the first word I ever heard them say to me was, they call me Karagosh. And
You know what is Khargosh?
well, my
It's a very cute. It's a rabbit.
I know it's a rabbit. So I went back and my Indian friend in Sydney and I said, "What's a karagosh?" And he goes,
Who
"Oh, that's
said?
I asked my Indian friend.
Okay.
He goes, that's a bunny, it's a rabbit. They're saying you're hopeless at batting. I was like, right. So I said, teach me a word for when they say it next time, which I won't repeat on this program. But I said, when they called me a karagosh, I turned around, I said something, and they just burst out laughing.
किसने कहा था? वैसे ये नहीं
No,
पता.
but say it, we'll cut it. Don't worry.
Say it.
No.
So actually, which team is more into sledging? Indian team, Pakistan team, England team, or your own team from Australia or South African or West Indies?
Probably Ireland.
Ireland?
Just something. That's one team that you just didn't mention, so I thought I'd just say Ireland. Australia are very good. India are becoming a lot better.
अच्छा मतलब हम लोग ज़्यादा करते हैं
बेहतर हो रहे हैं
sledging में.
इंडिया वाले बेहतर हो रहे
So we are getting better in sledging.
Yeah, but you know what? India's playing such good cricket now. I mean, Virat Kohli. I mean, how good's Virat Kohli? When you have got somebody who bats as good as Virat Kohli, you don't need a sledge.
क्या बात है? अच्छा, tell me, Brett, one thing. Yeah, please. Tea.
Yeah.
Is it masala tea? Okay.
Thank you, Dost. Shukriya. Wow, that's hot.
Brett, you were a cricketer. You are an actor now. You have a bookshop or not?
Sort of a bookshop, coffee shop, but that's no longer.
You have a coffee shop.
Used
I
to.
heard that you have a dress shop also.
No dress shop.
No, it's a wrong information collected by my team.
It's the wrong
I
information.
apologize from the depth of my heart.
Maybe me and you and your grandmother.
Me and my grandmother.
Yeah.
साथ में
She's a
इकट्ठी-
cheater. You can't trust her. She even cheated her husband.
Really?
Yeah.
We were talking backstage.
She was the same.
She's a Sundar Ladaki.
No. You are, Brett, see, you are our guest. I don't want to cheat on you. Don't go with her looks.
Really?
If you will, झाड़ने को क्या कहते हैं?
I get the visual, I get it.
कि झाड़ने को क्या कहते हैं भाजी?
जानने में जानना कहते हैं और क्या कहते हैं
I think you should.
If you will shuffle her,
You shouldn't shuffle
the
her.
girls will come out in parts, and the boy will. I mean,
No shuffling.
she is my grandmother, but
Respect.
by nature, she's he. But he's playing she. But Brett, you know, I'm meeting you first time, but I'm impressed by your sense of humor.
Thank you.
Brett, you have played Holi in your movie, right? Mm-hmm. Have you heard about this festival before?
Of course. In the movie, though, because of my Indian Australian friend, he says we're going to a Holi festival. But I thought it was holy with a Y.
Wine.
Why?
Holi, why?
Holy, like holy.
Holy,
Holi
okay.
matlab-
That is another Holi.
I understand that now. but
Holi, this is Holi.
holy with an I.
Yeah.
वो उसमें वाई
I.
लगता है इसमें आई लगता है
Yeah, Y and I, there's a lot of difference between Y and I because I will tell you why.
Why?
Why?
I?
Keep your eye.
Okay, right.
In India, when we play Holi,
Why?
yeah, I will tell you why. In India, when we play Holi, we play with our babis in villages. Babi mean to say sister-in-law
Right.
and some chichora kind of people. क्या बोलते हैं इनको?
राउडीज
Rowdy guys.
Rowdy, okay.
Yeah, they make a bahana क्या बोलते हैं? They make excuse to touch the cheeks. Holi hai. And they enjoy himself. They are so bisharam, they are so shameless, they will not play Holi with their wives. But they will play with somebody else's wife. गरीब की जोरू सबकी भाभी. लगा दो रंग कर दो गाल गुलाबी. This is my own poetry.
Very good, very good.
अब मैं इनवाइट करना चाहूंगा फिल्म अन इंडियन की लीड एक्ट्रेस द वेरी टैलेंटेड तनिष्ठा चटर्जी। तनिष्ठा आइए, आपका स्वागत है। तनिष्ठा, जब आप ये फिल्म साइन कर रही थी अन इंडियन और आपको पता चला कि ब्रेट ली जो है आपके ऑपोजिट हैं और इनसे मिलने से ठीक पहले आपने सोचा था कि फिल्म प्रमोशन के लिए आपको कपिल शर्मा शो में आने का मौका मिलेगा?
मैंने बिल्कुल यही सोच के ये फिल्म साइन किया कि आपके शो में मैं आऊं, और वो भी ब्रेट ली के साथ।
So Brett, you enjoyed working together?
Tanisha is fantastic. I mean, such a sweet, down-to-earth person, very talented, and she's at the top of her game. Brilliant.
थैंक यू।
So actually पाजी, हॉलीवुड की मूवीज में इतने गाने होते नहीं है, बट हॉलीवुड की मूवी में एक चीज होती है, जैसे हमारी फिल्म में गाना बजाना कंपलसरी होता है, वैसे इंग्लिश फिल्मों में चुंबन जो होता है, किस जो होता है, वो कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री होता है। सो बट इन दिस मूवी अन इंडियन देयर इज अ सीन वेयर ब्रेट इज अबाउट टू किस तनिष्ठा, and we heard that you were nervous that time, Brett.
Of course.
Why were you nervous? You are a
Because-
good-looking man, and she's a beautiful girl. Who is interrupting you?
You know what, though? Like, before we had the, let's say, the awkward, passionate scene, she was going, 20 minutes to the big scene, 15 minutes to go, and I'm like going, shut up. So I'm sweating and I'm like nervous, but no, it was fun.
So finally, you did. तनिष्ठा, आप नर्वस नहीं थे उस समय?
मेरे साथ ब्रेट ली था, तो मैं नर्वस क्यों हूँ?
So Brett, are you a dedicated actor, or
Am I a what?
are you a dedicated actor? Are you a dedicated actor, or what? Wait,
I know what you mean.
give me 1 second break. So, tell me, Brett, are you a dedicated actor who wants to do something according to script, or it was your wish only?
Put it this way, when you've got an absolute beautiful co-actor
Yeah.
and you listen to what the producer and director says, you do your job. It's like the captain saying, I want you to go out and bowl the first ball. You do as the captain says.
Okay, it's your opinion, but in my opinion, it's like you have to kiss her and somebody's paying for you this. There's nothing like that, man. It's like God's blessings.
Life's pretty good, isn't it?
मैं आपको एक गाना सिखाऊं हिंदी? Should I teach you a Hindi song?
Mukabala.
Not मुकाबला. I will teach you a Hindi song.
All right.
Okay? You hold this mic. There are your fans who are sitting in the audience. They want to ask you some questions regarding your film. और whatever you want to ask, please एक करके आप लोग अपना सवाल पूछ सकते हैं. जी.
Hi Brett, how are you?
बढ़िया, सब ठीक है?
Hello ma'am. Hello. Fine. Hello Kapil.
Hi.
I'm a big fan of yours.
Thank you, dear.
Hello ma'am.
हेलो।
Ma'am, the question is for you.
Okay.
आपने इनके साथ एक पूरी मूवी की है. So he is a cricketer. So इन्होंने आपको बॉलिंग सिखाई है?
नहीं, इन्होंने मुझे विकेट कीपिंग सिखाई।
क्या बात? So मैम, मैं चाहता हूँ कि ये आपको और कपिल जी आपको भी बॉलिंग सिखाए.
Where's my bat?
चलो.
Okay, तो ये बॉलिंग सिखाएंगे तनिष्ठा को
I'm
और मुझे तो
sporty.
किसी ने सिखाई नहीं बैटिंग, मैं कैसे करूंगा?